Wow. Oh, wow. 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 Oh my God. Wow. Holy freaking crap. Holy crap. That came out of nowhere. The camera's all soaking wet. Holy crap. Not sure if you guys saw, but a tree branch blew down right there while the winds were blowing. Holy crap. Wow, they are still blowing. Oh my God. Wow. I'm sorry that you guys can't see through this window, but it is blowing like crazy out there. Wow. Man. Wow. You don't want to mess with that lightning. Holy crap. Wow. Man, they are still blowing. And this rain is just now affecting the Cardinals game. Oh my God. Tree branch just fell right there. It was a tiny one. Wow, man, this came out of nowhere. Let me show you guys what. Wow, winds are still blowing. I'm gonna show you guys what just happened here. So that's the tree branch that just blew down right there. And there's another one that blew down over there. That one right there, if you can see. Man. Man, this came out of nowhere. Holy crap. It's affecting my camera. Because how wet it got. It got wet. Wow. Sorry, I'm still wiping off my camera here. But man, this came out of nowhere. Holy crap. They are still blowing. I'm sorry for how much I wipe off the camera lens, but man, because rain keep blowing on it. But man, that was crazy. That came out of nowhere. They are still blowing very intense. I'm going to be taking damage footage after this video right here. The quality is probably going to be down a little bit lower now because I'm kind of running out a bit of memory right here. Only got 30 minutes left. Wow. As y'all can see now, the Cardinals game has just been affected by this weather. But man, that came out of nowhere. That seems to be about the end of it right there, but man, that was intense. That came out of nowhere. I mean, my camera got soaked. That seems to be about it. It's just back to little wind. But man, that was intense. But yeah, that seems to be about it. Oof. I'm going to be taking damage photos or damage videos after this, so stay tuned. Check out my other videos of damage. That's about it. Josh super tagged going out, taking damage photos. As the wind blows. Yep, Josh Super Tiger signing out. See you later. How about this, people? Second time in a row, we got us a rainbow. You just can hear the thunder, but have us another rainbow. How this rainbow is showing. I'm just gonna walk to the front real quick.
For this duck to take over your screen when he quacks at you. Simply tweet #duck and you can win awesome Duck Dynasty.
Because of that right there.
Duck Dynasty, new episode 9/10 on AAU.
Rainbow's off bat. So yep, got us a rainbow.